In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to link your debit card to your Chime account. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Chime app and then log into your Chime account. And then you're going to add some money into your Chime account. So go into the section where it says add money, as you can see, and you can add, for example, $50. And then when you're done, just click on next right here. And then the step after that is going to be for you to actually link a debit card. It's going to allow you to link a debit card after you have actually chosen to transfer money into your Chime account. And then you're just going to write your debit card number right here. So you can see the expiration date and the CVV number. Make sure that everything is correct, as you can see, because if it's not, then it's not going to work, of course. And then you can just click on add right here, as you can see. And the final step is going to be for you to double check everything so that everything is correctly. As you can see, it's going to probably be an instant transfer as well, and it's going to give you exactly the details right here. It's going to say from, and then your card number in here, and then to your Chime, for example, checking account. And then you're just going to click where it says confirm transfer right here. And what will happen then is that you have now successfully added money to your Chime account, but you have also linked a debit card to your account as well. So basically, this is exactly how to do this.